Here's how we do custom jewelry. When you come in, you want to make something new, create something from stones that you have. First thing we do is sit down and have a little consultation and decide what you like. Sometimes you may have a picture of what you want. Sometimes you may just have kind of a thought. You want to bring a couple different ideas of things together to kind of formulate what would really work best for you. If you have a picture, that works great. If you don't, then we'll sit down and start working on it. Like, for example, 3 princess cut diamonds. And you want something that's not going to be just a plain traditional 3 stone. Look at some different things where we're going to just draw out some little tiny diamonds on the side of the center stone, because you said that you had a bunch of little tiny diamonds you'd like to incorporate it from your grandma. And we kind of get down to the, yes, this is what I really think I'd like to make. We're going to then start with our CAD designer to give him our inspiration. Once we have the inspiration, then he's going to give us a CAD design. It can be something like this, for example, where you say, you know, it's exactly what I want. Or, you know what, I really want to change something. I don't necessarily want all these little stones on the side. It looks like too much. So we'll change it. When we're at this point in the designing, we can change a lot of things. CAD design on 3D, and he'll make a wax for you. We can actually physically touch it, see it, feel it. Not that specifically, but here's an example of a wax. We can actually try it on and say, hey, you know what? I really like that. Or, gosh, I sure wish that I didn't put all these stones on the side. Can we just take that off? Or, I want to add more stones on the side, bigger stones. So we can then go and redo where we are, reformulate, go back to a new design, then come back with a new wax. Or if you look like this design as this says, that's perfect. Then we will then get it cast into whatever metal you want, 14, 18, platinum, whatever suits your fancy. Start that process. It generally takes about a week's time to cast it, and then finish out the product, set the stones, and so forth. And 99% what this wax looks like is exactly what your ring's going to look like, except for the stones and the metal. And so that's why when you're looking at these waxes, if it looks really almost right, if there's any little tweaking, we can always change that, but it's pretty much what it'll be. We get the design and it comes out. And this was special just for them.